and hit question mark, we can see some of the arguments available to us, and I need to specify that I will log in using the username of Matt, and I can accomplish that by doing the -L option and entering in the IP address. The username of Matt and then the IP address. Should be prompted for a password, Cisco all lowercase, and we can see now that I have a connection opened to router 1. Just to recap here a little bit, I was running a Syslog server on my laptop, and I configured router 1 to enable Syslog logging to my laptop. I had disabled logging to the buffer, and I had specified the logging level of 7 so that all messages will be sent to the Syslog server. The next step that I took in enabling SSH was to first enable AAA and use the default login authentication and authorization options. In order to enable SSH, I needed to select the VTY option and specify that the input protocols that I would use were Telnet and SSH. And finally, I needed to generate the RSA key by selecting SSH, and when there's no RSA key available, this button was active and enabled, so I was able to select that, input the username and password for one of the accounts in the local database. It generated the key, and once that key was generated, SSH version 1.0 or 1.99 was enabled. If I did want to hardcode SSH version 2 on the router, I can do that through the command line with the IP SSH version. We can see we have either versions 1 or 2, and it's just a single command of IP SSH version 2, and if I hit enter, that will enable SSH version 2 on the router. If you have any questions or lab requests, you can email me at bowlermj@yahoo.com. That's BOWLERMJ@yahoo.com, and I look forward to seeing you in some future labs. Thank you.